Okay, so now that we've got our jail up and running, we're going to go ahead and install ownCloud. So go back to the forums. Under software jails, there's this new forum here, how to install ownCloud inside a jail Nas4Free version 10. It's basically an updated version of the old script, and it works very well. So if we just scroll down, I'm just going to follow these steps. First thing we need to do is enter the jail using this command. Okay, once we're in the jail, a couple of things we want to do is install the nano, just because it's much easier to use. Well, I think so. So let's just wait a bit. If I've had a couple of issues with the jail getting access to the internet, and if it does, rebooting it seems to work well for me. But no issues here, so we just wait for this to install. Yes. Perfect, done. So to get the script, obviously just easier if you cut and paste. So I'm going to copy and paste it into there. The script will automatically download into a temp folder with the script called ownCloud in jail. So as you can see, it's done. And then what we want to do is copy and paste. So this just makes that file executable. And then go nano, which actually opens up into text editor. And thanks to Nostalgist92, he's edited and updated this ownCloud jail script to make it a lot easier. So the only things we really need to do to change is the IP. So make sure this IP matches the jail IP and the ownCloud version. So this is currently the most up-to-date one, so change it to whatever version is current or whatever version that you want, and change it to whatever port you want to use. I'm just going to leave it like that. Save that file, exit, and then I'm just going to run it now by typing in temp ownCloud. And it basically goes off and does its thing. So we're just going to wait for it. Okay, cool. So it's finished installing everything. Read all the warnings and errors and instructions. But basically, now we're going to go and create a database for our ownCloud. So all we have to do is follow the prompts. As this is a brand new install, there's no current password for root, so we just go enter, and it says, do you want to set one? We go yes, put in a password, make sure it's secure, and don't forget this password, we'll need it later when we're installing ownCloud. So we want to remove yes, 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 and reload yes. Put in a password, just follow the prompts. So this bit here, put in all your details. They're not all that really important until we get to this one, the common name. So it's important in here to put either the domain name that you're going to use for ownCloud or the IP that we set up before. So the one IP I was going to use is 1.111, so that's important. The rest of it I'm going to skip. It's going to continue through now. It's going to go and download and install ownCloud 8.2.2, which is the version we told it to in the text file edit before. Okay, perfect. So as you can see, everything finished without any errors, which is always good. So all we need to do now is log on to ownCloud. So remember that it's HTTPS and put in the IP, and don't forget the port number that we set up before. Hit enter. This is Chrome. It's going to say that it's not safe, but that's fine because we know it's ours. Excellent. So obviously select storage and database. So what we want is we want to select the MySQL database, put in root user and that password that we created before. Database name can be anything, so I'll call it ownCloud. Leave it as localhost. And then it's important to put in a username and password as an administrator account. This is just a test one, and then we hit finish. And that's it. You can see we're in ownCloud now. Remember to click like if this video has helped you out, and feel free to leave comments below and I'll help out where I can. Thanks for watching.